Protect your love. Avoid these 7 common behaviors killing 21st-century relationship. Communication breakdown. Failure to communicate openly and honestly can lead to misunderstandings and conflict. Neglecting quality time. The 21st century's fast-paced lifestyle can lead to neglecting quality time with your partner. Digital distractions. Setting boundaries for screen time can help preserve the quality of your relationship. Lack of trust. Trust issues, often stemming from past experiences, can erode the foundation of a relationship. Failure to adapt. Change is constant, and couples who can't adapt to evolving circumstances may face relationship strain. Ignoring self-care. Neglecting self-care can result in personal unhappiness that spills over into the relationship. Inequality and unfair expectations. Imbalanced responsibilities or unrealistic expectations can lead to resentment. Please like, share, comment and subscribe at Skywell Inspiration.